Understanding, My Condolences, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, my condolences. This is a commonly used expression in English, particularly in situations of grief or loss. Understanding it can help you communicate more empathetically in English. Let's dive in. My condolences is a phrase used to express sympathy and sorrow for someone who has experienced a loss, usually the death of a loved one. The word condolences comes from the Latin condolere, meaning to suffer with. By saying, my condolences, you are essentially telling someone that you share in their sorrow and empathize with their pain. This phrase is most commonly used in somber or serious situations. It's important to use a respectful and sincere tone when expressing condolences. You might say, my condolences on the passing of your father, or, please accept my condolences for your loss. Remember, it's not just about the words, but also about conveying genuine empathy and support. Different cultures have various ways of expressing sympathy. While my condolences is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's important to be aware of cultural sensitivities. In some cultures, direct expressions of sympathy like this might be less common, and other forms of support might be preferred. If you're looking for different ways to express the same sentiment, you could use phrases like, I'm sorry for your loss, or, you have my deepest sympathy. These phrases also communicate empathy and support to the person experiencing grief. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of my condolences. We hope this video has been informative and helps you communicate more effectively and compassionately in English. Remember, the key is to be sincere and respectful when expressing sympathy. See you in the next lesson.